You may use some quips so regularly that even popping up Spartan and clicking on them is too slow. There are two faster methods which you can use in Spartan. These are macros and hotkey clips.
First, hotkeys. Here is a typical signature block. Let's copy it and take it to View 9, the hotkeys. View 9 lists all the hotkey combinations. As this is a signature block, I'm going to allocate it to Ctrl+S. I change back to View 1 and minimize Spartan. Now when I want to paste my signature block, I just type Ctrl+S. Hotkeys are great if you only have one or two. If you have more than that, they become difficult to remember. Another option is to use a macro. Let's copy the same signature block and take it to View 10, the macros. Paste it to any empty slot and add the macro trigger. I'm going to use sig, comma. Sig is easy to remember, and the commas prevent me from triggering it by mistake. I switch back to a normal view and minimize Spartan. Now, to paste my signature block, I simply type sig, comma. That's it.